Hi, my name's Liz Lister and I manage the STEM Ambassador programme for Bristol and the West of England. We started the STEM at Bagator project with STEM Ambassadors to make sure that what the people of the area had available to them was the great big resource of STEM and science and engineering and all that sort of thing that exists in the city but doesn't always make its way to every part of the city.
Hello, I'm Mick Palmer. I'm the Programme Leader for Digital Media at UE Bristol. So projection mapping is an activity that's quite engaging and it's quite easy to get into. A lot of young people and kids like it because it's got colour and it's got movement and you can create some nice display.
My name's Tom Garn. I'm a technician with the Computer Science Department at UE. And we're here in Bagator doing some projection mapping. It's really great to see the children get involved with stuff they might not be able to get access to when they're in their homes. So it's great to come out here and give access to some mobs.
I'm Steve, I work at UE as a filmmaker, and with the kids today we've been trying to sort of inspire them to be multimedia filmmakers, you know, projection mapping, and what we've been trying to say to them is you don't need a lot of expensive equipment to do it. You can do it with very cheap kit that you have in your pocket.
Hi, I'm Stuart. I am the chair of Bagator's trustees and we're really enjoying running all the STEM sessions here because we've found that in order to tackle a deficit opportunities we need to bring science into everything, and it is fantastic watching the way the kids are getting involved.
Hello everybody, I'm Max Davis. I'm the programme leader for the 2 music technology programmes at UE Bristol. So STEM music, so everything from computer coding and making cool applications for making music with, recording engineering, getting into the studio, electronics, super interesting. And the great thing about technology and music is that you can really control what we call musical texture. So you can design amazing sounds by understanding how sound works.
Hi, I'm Marianne. I'm the Summer STEM Coordinator here at Bagator. So the STEM program's main purpose is to help kids who otherwise might not have had the best exposure to tech and to STEM overall, given that a lot of the people in the area are homeschooled, people of colour, people who generally wouldn't get the same access to STEM, a chance to truly play around with it.
Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm a workshop facilitator at Bagator. I'm also a digital media student. I've helped with the projection mapping workshop and with curating these videos and these projections themselves. You can see them on my left and right. And I'm really excited to be here. It's a cool opportunity to work in STEM and to help bring new horizons to children.